Holy crap!
It's gorgeous.
We all want to elevate our style, but don't always have the time or money to do so. Lucky for us, there are lots of things we can find right now in our closets that will help us look more fashionable and in style. With a little bit of effort, you can go from looking like average Jane to standing out in a crowd. Welcome to Black Belt Fashion. Here are some cool ways to make your wardrobe feel new again. A tremendous style with minimal effort. Tie a button-down shirt to show your waist. A miniskirt looks cute with a plaid shirt already in your wardrobe. If you try to tie it in the middle, it will highlight the shape rather than hide it, giving it a more sophisticated look. Wear a turtleneck underneath so you can keep your stomach from showing when it's chilly outside. Here is the trick to making the perfect knot. First, undo 3 buttons and tie the shirt tails into a knot. Second, tighten it so the knot hits just above your belly button and knot again. Lastly, straighten the end so it sits where you want.
Good morning, fellow public servants.
This is one of the simplest ways to look cool and very chic. Any coordinating two-piece like a knit set, pantsuit, skirt suit, or even sweatsuit looks automatically fashionable. So, all you have to do then is pick out your shoes and some accessories to go with them.
Choose, Jimmy Choose. Nola Blahnik.
Layers, layers, and more layers.
I think this has nothing to do with you. You go to your closet and you select, I don't know, that lumpy blue sweater, for instance, because you're trying to tell the world that you take yourself too seriously to care about what you put on your back. But what you don't know is that that sweater is not just blue, it's not turquoise, it's not lapis, it's actually cerulean.
Layering can range from simple to perfect and difficult to learn, but it's worth learning. Find some inspiration from your favorite street style stars and mimic their looks with your own wardrobe. Yes, don't be afraid to experiment. Try wearing a white crew neck t-shirt under a satin slip dress, a trench coat with a miniskirt on, or fishnet stockings underneath pants. The results are amazingly playful and seriously stylish. Belt your layers.
Something funny?
No, nothing's, it's just that both those belts look exactly the same to me.
Layering is also a simple way to look fashionable when it's cold, and you can save money by making better use of what you already have in your wardrobe. However, if you're wearing several different layers, the finished product may look a bit bulky and random. A belt pulls the whole look together and really carves out your shape or figure under all those clothes, so all those layers do not swallow you up. Cuff your jeans. There is nothing wrong with rocking your jeans as is, but your favorite closet staple can get a simple upgrade with ankle cuffs. It is a subtle style trick that freshens up an outfit you've worn a million times. And not to mention, it's a great way to show off your footwear. The secret is to choose the right technique based on the pant style you are rocking. Wear your jacket on your shoulders like a cape. Don't think of your jacket like it's really a jacket. Think of it like your cape. Especially when you're going into transitional weather. It is an easy way to wear a jacket that won't make you overheat, but will definitely give you the best coverage. Revisit old trends.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Fashion tends to recycle trends every 15 to 20 years. However, many trends have a shorter lifespan, thus coming and going more frequently. Do not discount a look that did not work for you the last time it was in fashion. For instance, remember old denim everything of the early 2000s? It's genuinely back, and this time the look is much more relaxed, right? Or how about blue eyeliner that was everywhere back in the 80s? Would you ever think that you could look so elegant and chic? change up your footwear.
Voila. What's that American expression? If the shoe fits, you must wear it.
Whatever you would typically choose for footwear, choose the opposite. Trade your sneakers for high heels, your sandals for sneakers, and your high heels for flats. The more wrong it feels, the more right it is. Yes, you can count on me with this. You may pair a blazer with a graphic tee. A gorgeous blazer and a more flashy graphic t-shirt paired with jeans complements this high-low look. It is indeed a casual, dressy, comfortable style wherever you go. Slap a hat on it.
Right then. Right. Okay. Gryffindor!
Fashion is about making statements and creating a well-defined look, and no other accessory does this better like a good old hat. Sure, some styles can be a little dressed, but that's kind of the point. Not an oversized tee.
I'm gonna teach you how to tie a bowline knot.
Loose layers can quickly change from a refreshing state to a sloppy state. However, when you side knot your top, you will highlight both your cute skirt and your killer shape. To make a polished knot, just pull the excess button material to one side, making a tail. Twist the tail and knot it, and then tug on the knot to tighten. Balance both your top and bottom. With these runway models, it's easy to take off completely loose or tight outfit, but it's not. A successful look for most of us comes from finding the right balance. As such, it's vital to plan outfits where both the top and bottom really complement each other. If you're wearing a full skirt or wide leg pants, consider partnering it with a fitted or cropped top. If you're wearing a loose shirt, try pairing it with some tight jeans. Do not tuck in your top all the way. Whether it's a colored silk shirt, a sweater, or a tank, go grab that middle front piece. Loosely tuck it down right away and watch your style cred increase instantaneously. The less effort you put in, the better. Have a white fitted shirt on hand.
17.5, same color t-shirt. White.
Generally, a white fitted shirt is a favorably versatile piece of clothing and an invaluable item to have on hand. Whether you're wearing a metallic plaid miniskirt, black flared pants, or distressed denim shorts, a white button-up can complete your outfit with amazing style. Always remember to take care of it and just replace it when necessary. While a white shirt appears sophisticated and chic, an off-white shirt can look old and sloppy. Don't be afraid to mix patterns.
Break up the country into color codes. Timothy, you're gonna be teal. Rena, you're gonna be magenta. And Elle is gonna be marigold.
Patterns are an excellent way to add life and fun to your closet. And mixing patterns is way better. So, if you have been sticking to basic colors for the past years, now is really the time to be confidently bold and embrace gingham, stripes, florals, checks, etc. Like I said, always remember to make sure that the patterns complement each other rather than clash. To do this, choose one focal design and try emphasizing another outfit. Alternatively, you can select two patterns with complementary color palettes. Curate your colors to suit your skin tone.
Get me that tan you've been searching for. That's it. That's it.
Check out Julio Iglesias.
Mwah, pretty.
Have you ever wondered why some colors look good on you and others don't? It's your skin tone. Make sure to stock your wardrobe with the colors that best complement you to ensure that all the clothes you wear look great. If your skin color is cool, buy clothes in colors such as white, black, gray, silver, and blue. On the other hand, if the undertones are warm, buy designs in shades of brown, yellow, gold, olive, and red. Create a do-it-yourself styling kit.
Groovy.
A styling kit can always be a lifesaver. If you're not a stylist by trade, make a kit for yourself by stocking up on essential items for the job. Even amazingly planned outfits can fall apart when something goes wrong, right? Must-have emergency items such as stain-removing pen, a pill remover, a needle, a lint roller, thread, and safety pins. Other necessary things include double-sided tape for gaping, fixing loose hems, and a makeup sponge to ban deodorant marks. Add a scarf to upgrade your basic look.
Then again, who needs a scarf? Wrap some old jeans around your neck. That'll keep you warm.
Another excellent accessory tip is to add a scarf to your casual outfits. By just slipping on a scarf before heading out, you can make any simple outfit appear more put together and polished. The instant style upgrade is one that celebrities and off-duty models use all the time. So, the next time you're rocking a t-shirt and jeans, try following their lead and elevating your ensemble with a scarf. Jewelry.
There it is. My baby.
Oh, she's a beauty.
When I saw it in the catalog, I said to Smith, this flower ring is the essence of me, one of a kind.
Whether your jewelry box contains just one nice watch or a host of bangles, statement necklaces, chandelier earrings, and chokers, you probably turn to jewelry when you're looking to add a little sparkle to your look. If you're new to jewelry, start with a subtle piece of jewelry like a thin hoop earrings, little diamond studs, or a delicate pendant necklace. Classic pieces that will work with almost anything. Footwear.
Would be my wife.
Unlike any other accessories, you will most likely need to wear shoes every day. And although it is important to have a few neutral footwear options in your collection, such as a white sneaker, black flat, nude heel, and black or brown boots, you should also consider a softer, bolder options. These can actually elevate your look. Look for fun yet comfortable shoes, or else you'll never want to wear them. There you have it. So now experiment with various combinations and see what works best for you. With a little bit of effort, you can go from looking like everyone else to standing out in a crowd. Also, always practice proper posture, since this can do a lot for your personal fashion style. It is hard to pull off any outfit if you sit or stand in a slouching position. Your accessories and clothes will only look and fit better if you have good posture. In addition, maintaining an upright position can do wonders for your poise and confidence. So, are you looking for more fashion inspiration? Subscribe to our channel and check out our next video.